How to set timer on Snapchat and how to turn off timer on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Snapchat. So at the right side, you'll see different options, but you won't see the timer option. To get your timer option, click on this plus sign and you'll see timer right here. Tap on that and you can see photo timer is turned on. For video timer, tap it again. And now video timer is turned on. So you can set the timer up to how long you want it by dragging this and then clicking on Set Timer. If you want to turn off your timer, tap on this stopwatch icon and you'll see the timer has automatically been turned off. So this is how to set timer and how to turn off timer on Snapchat. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.